From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Monday evening. I'm Penn State student meteorologist Lexi from the Campus Weather Service, here with some good news in your Monday evening forecast. We had an absolutely gorgeous day today, and these temperatures are going to continue into tomorrow. Now, earlier today, we hit temperatures up at 75 degrees. That dew point was really in check for today, leaving things very comfortable. And that wind, we just had a nice breeze throughout the majority of the day. It was absolutely gorgeous out there. And it's going to continue to be very, very nice all the way through Thursday this week. Make sure that you get out there and enjoy these summer-like conditions, because by late week, we do have a cold front that'll move through the area, and it will bring us some cloudy and cool conditions for the weekend, even some precipitation in the forecast for the later part of the weekend. Now for today, things were extraordinary out there. Look at that. This is our high temperature departure from average. You can see here in State College, we were 8 degrees above average for this time of the year. Pittsburgh, 12 degrees above average. Bradford, 15 degrees above average for this time of the year. And we have some similar trends over on the eastern side of the state. So it was absolutely gorgeous out there today. Really didn't feel like much of an October day, maybe September, even August out there. Now this trend was seen really all across the northeastern United States. Look up here in the Michigan and Wisconsin area, you can see just how warm it is really all across the northeastern United States. And we can attribute all of this warmth to this right here, this high pressure system that is just sitting right over Pennsylvania, and it's keeping us cloud free, it is keeping us incredibly warm, and it's making things really feel like summer out there. Now, this high pressure isn't going to stick around forever. It does unfortunately have to move on, and it'll track its way off the coast by the time we hit late Wednesday and into Thursday, and it will be replaced with some showers. Now let's take a look ahead at some of the future weather. This is for early tomorrow morning. Now I do have to note that with all of this sunshine at this unseasonable time, we do have fog in the forecast. So for these next couple of days in the early morning hours, make sure you are prepared on your morning commute, because there will be some fog in the area, and it could be dense in some areas, especially in the valley regions. But this fog will burn off by midday, and we'll have another fantastic day in store for tomorrow, up into the high 70s and the 80s. Once again, we'll see a similar trend early Wednesday morning. We'll have that fog in the area, which will burn off for midday. And then look at this. This is just zooming out. This is as we head into Wednesday evening. You can see this cold front starting to form and just setting up to bring showers into the region. So Wednesday will be that last really nice full day of sunshine. Early Thursday morning, we'll start to see some of those clouds move in, and then by Friday, this cold front will start to cut its way across Pennsylvania, bringing us some rain in the region, especially on Saturday. This is midday Saturday. Luckily, we don't have a football game this weekend, but it is going to be wet, and it is going to be much, much cooler this weekend compared to what we've seen at the start of this week. Fortunately, for tonight, we're staying very, very nice. We're going to stay clear, a low of 56, and do be prepared for that patchy fog later in the evening and in the early morning hours. For tomorrow morning, we will be absolutely gorgeous. That fog will burn off. We'll see a high of 80 midday, abundant sunshine, and once again, just another summer-like day here in October. Now let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. We're starting off with those 80s early in the week. And then by midweek, we'll start to cool down, and look at this back behind me. After that cold front passes, we'll drop down into the 60s and even down into the 50s by early next week, So with that being said, make sure that you do enjoy the sunshine today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and a little bit of Thursday, and have a fantastic Monday night.